Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use and yo-yo easy guide. Begin by selecting a comfortable throw and holding the yo-yo with the string centered on your middle finger. Practice the basic throw until the yo-yo sleeps at the bottom of the string. Use short practice sessions to build consistent wrist motion and keep your elbow steady while allowing the wrist to provide most of the power. Warm up with the sleeper to build smooth rotation and stable sleep time for tricks. Once comfortable, practice the tug return and aim for a crisp, small snap rather than a big yank. Move on to simple maneuvers like rock the baby and around the world, focusing on timing and string tension. Consistent short sessions improve coordination, and recording yourself can reveal small form adjustments that help progression. Treat your yo-yo like a precision tool to extend its life and performance. Clean bearings carefully with the recommended solvent and relube sparingly to maintain smooth spin. Inspect the axle, response pads, and string for wear before each session and swap components when needed. Keep a small toolkit handy with spare strings and a bearing removal tool, and always practice in a clear, safe area to avoid injuries or damaged brake.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.